Now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we draw the shape of hexagon. Now we draw 2D shapes. The shape of hexagon. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we draw the shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we draw the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we draw heart. The next one is star. The shape of star. Now we coloring 2D shapes. So kids, first we coloring the shape of hexagon, and now we mixing the color of blue. Now we are mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, now we coloring the shape of hexagon and using the color of blue. The next one is circle. Now we coloring the shape of circle. Kids, now we are using the color of green. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of circle. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now mixing and using red color. Kids, the next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. Now we are using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Now we are using the color of, again, red. The color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is star. We are again using the color of blue and coloring star. Now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, today we're coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. And the next one is square, triangle, the shape of circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is square. We are again using and coloring the shape of square. We are again using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring square. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're using yellow color. The next one is circle. We are again using yellow color, and now we are coloring circle. The last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching.